Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. I'm Joseph Novichkov, Senior Analyst at GDMFX. Welcome to our morning outlook. Starting with Japan, the yen came with 0.6% of a 5-year low on speculations that Japan's Prime Minister Shinzo Abe will appoint tomorrow an ally to head the Ministry of charge of reforming the government pension and investment fund. Now, Japan's currency slid versus most of its 16 most traded counterparts. The yen lost 0.5% to 104.83 per dollar after touching 104.87, the weakest since January 16. The currency fell to 105.44 on January 2. A level hasn't been seen since October 2008. As we were following the Reserve Bank of Australia's meeting throughout the Asian session, remarks were made that an overvalued currency is hindering the economy's transition to domestic growth drivers from mining investors and is expected to pause on a longest in interest rate adjustment since 2006. In result, the Aussie slid versus the USD right now is at 0.9295. The British pound is steady at this moment at 1.6560, slightly lower than yesterday's open. We saw mixed data from UK throughout yesterday's trading session. In the calendar today is only the construction's PMI for UK, coming out in less than an hour. Now, moving back to Europe, European stocks advanced for a third day on speculations that slower growth will prompt policymakers to accelerate with stimulus. In about an hour time, the PPI data will be released. However, we don't expect high volatility around those news, and the euro is quite steady at 1.3160 versus the USD. More interesting things in the economic calendar is during the US session, we're expecting the market manufacturing PMI, also construction spending, and the most important ISM manufacturing PMI, which is with a high volatility expectations. Taking a brief glance at the commodity sector, gold is extending a decline to the lowest level in a week as investors weighing the health of the global economy against, of course, the tensions between Ukraine and Russia, as the US economy continues to recover while other economies, including Europe and China, are slowing. Global monetary policies will diverge. Now, the metal broke through the lower level of 1279 of the recent sideways range and have taken a support around 1273.74. The further decline is expected from those levels. West Texas Intermediate crude fell on speculations that weakening manufacturing from Germany to China will cap global oil demand. Also, China's manufacturing slowed more than projected last month, joining weaker than anticipated credit production, and investment data is indicating that the economy is losing momentum. However, the chart is showing further corrections up to the 33% retracement of the Fibonacci. Therefore, we prefer to take short positions from over there. That's all from me from today. Thanks for watching. Have a successful trading day. Bye-bye.